Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath here it's a 3-liter V6 twin turbo with 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one comes with the appearance package with 20-inch wheels, brushed aluminum running boards, accessory chrome package with chrome inserts on the hood and door, lighting package with adaptive high beam assist, full LED headlamps and tail lamps, a salad brown leather interior with a light wood trim, sunroof, 3-way climate control, 3rd row seating, GLS 450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of all-season floor mats, fold down 3rd row seats, trailer hitch, driver's assistance package with active blind spot assist, active lane assist, premium 1 package with Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with sensors, hard keys for the media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLS 450 has 39,025 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2019 GLS 450 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.